Okay, so everyone, welcome back to our second session altogether. So everyone, like teacher already told you that on the second session we are going to study about grammar planet 3, right? Good. So everyone, now teacher would like to get your attention to focus about the lesson in the second session altogether. So everyone, do you still remember the lesson in grammar planet 3? Very good. So teacher believe that you can remember well and you understood the lesson as well. Okay, so everyone, now teacher would like to get your attention to focus about the review part. Okay, so everyone, can you provide the definition of modal verb? Okay, so everyone or anyone can provide the definition for me, please. Very good. So everyone, we can say that modal verb are the auxiliary verbs. Okay, they used to express about ability, permission, possibility, advice, or inviting as well. Okay, good. So everyone, we can use modal verb to express about that. Okay, so everyone, like how many modal verbs that you study in unit 16? Everyone, very good. So you studied, yes, of course, 3 modal verbs. Okay, so the first one, it is about can, and another one, yes, of course, should, and the last one, it is about may, right? Good. So everyone, teacher believe that you can do it well and remember about modal verb and the types of modal verb, right? Good. So everyone, now teacher would like to get your attention to move on to the exercise practice, in the textbook altogether. So everyone, now you can open the book on page 70 and 71. Okay, so everyone, now we are going to practice the exercise to make sure that you can do it well, and understand about the lesson well. Good. So everyone, now let's focus about the section altogether. So we have 2 parts. The first one is section D and another section which is about section E. Okay, so the first, you have to look at my right hand side. It is about section D. Look, read and write may not, should or shouldn't. Okay, so everyone, in this section we are going to practice about may not, should not, or shouldn't, right? Good. So everyone, now let's focus about the exercise. So we have 4 sentences, and we also have 4 pictures that are relevant to the sentence, right? Good. So in this exercise, you have to what? Yes, of course, you have to write may not, should or shouldn't to the correct sentence. Good. So now let's focus about the first one. May I touch it? May I touch it? So may, it used to express about, yes, very good, you ask for permission. So may I touch it? So you ask for permission, right, to touch that things. So the answer, no, you. No, you. It is about negative, right? Negative. So no, you what? So what do you have to complete here? Yes, very good. So no, you may not. Very good. No, you may not. Because the first sentence, it is about question that you use may to ask, right? May I touch it? And the answer, you also use may too. But you have to remember, when we use may, we cannot combine with the short form, with may and not, so we use the full one, may not. We cannot combine together, so you have to remember, no, you may not. Good. So anyone, now let's move on to number 2 altogether. So number 2, may I take a picture of it? May I take a picture of it? It is about asking for permission, right? Good. So yes, you. Exactly. So the correct answer is yes, you may. Very good. So the question you ask may, right? May I take a picture of it? Yes, you may. We cannot. Yes, you can. Okay. So cannot. Okay. So the question you use may, and the answer you also use may. Good. So number 3, it is dangerous. You blah 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 swim. So what is the correct answer that you have to use in this space, everyone? Very good. So the correct answer is yes. Very good. So it is dangerous. You should or shouldn't, everyone? Very good. So you shouldn't. You shouldn't swim. Okay. So it is dangerous. So you shouldn't swim. It is about advice. Good job. It is about advice. You should not swim, or you shouldn't swim. If you swim, you will be dangerous. Good. So everyone, now let's focus about the last one. It is about number 4. We are late. We are late. So what is the correct answer that you have to put in this space, everyone? So we walk faster. We are late. So the correct answer is, who can tell me? Good. So you choose should. Good. So we should. We are late. So that's why we should walk faster, right? Good. So it is about advice. So you should walk faster. If you still walk slowly, you are late. For example, like you go to school, right? And then you are late. And if you still late, so you cannot go to school on time, right? Okay, good. So everyone, this is about may not, should, and shouldn't, right? Good. So everyone, the first section, it is finished. Now let's move your attention to move on to the second one, which is about section E. Read and match. Read and match. So everyone, in this exercise, you have to read the sentence carefully, and after that, you have to match with the correct answer. You see? Good. So everyone, now we have 4 sentences. Okay. So the first one, you have to read carefully. Okay. He has strong legs. He has strong legs. Number 2, the bus is too slow. The bus is too slow. Number 3, you have a nice toy. You have a nice toy. Number 4, she is selling tomatoes. She is selling tomatoes. Okay. So A, they shouldn't ride it. B, we should buy some. C, he can ride fast. D, may I play with it? Okay, so everyone, now you have to make the sentence with the correct sentences. Okay, good. So now let's focus about the first one altogether. So he has strong legs. He has strong legs. So which one is the correct answer? Whether A, B, C, or D? So the correct answer is letter. Very good. So he has strong legs. So he can run fast. Very good. So it goes to letter C. Okay. Now let's move on to number 2 altogether. So the bus is too slow. The bus is too slow, right? Good. So now which one is the correct answer, everyone? The bus is too slow. A, they shouldn't ride it. B, we should buy some. D, may I play with it? So the correct answer is letter. Good job. So the correct answer of number 2 is letter A. The bus is too slow. They shouldn't ride it. If they write it a lot, maybe the bus is broken, right? Good. So now let's move on to number 3. You have a nice toy. You have a nice toy. So which one is the correct answer, everyone? So we still have letters B and letter D. We should buy some. May I play with it? So which one is the correct answer, everyone? Good job. So the correct answer is letter D. You have a nice toy. May I play with it? Okay. So you ask for permission to play with the toys, right? Okay, good. So now let's move on to number 4, the last one. She is selling tomatoes. So the correct answer is we should buy some. Very good. It goes to letter B. Okay, so everyone, this is about the correct answer of section E. Okay, so everyone, teacher believe that you can practice well, okay, and you also understand deeply about modal verb as well. Okay, so everyone, if you want to know more about the other modal verbs, so you can search, okay, from the internet, and you can practice or you can learn more about it as well. Okay, so everyone, do you have any question regarding to the lesson for this session, everyone? Very good. So if you don't have any question, teacher would like to end this video. And everyone, please enjoy your weekend as well with your family, okay? And teacher believe that you also have a trip to go somewhere as well. And teacher also wish you good luck all the time. Goodbye.